Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube video. In this video, I'm going to be discussing the features of the YouTube Studio platform. This platform is a great way for content creators to manage and track the performance of their videos. I'll start by talking about the dashboard. The dashboard gives you an overview of your channel's performance, including how many views, likes, comments you have received. It also shows you how many subscribers you have, and it will give you a summary of any recent activity on your channel. Next, I'll talk about the Analytics tab. This is where you can track the performance of individual videos. It shows you the number of views, likes, comments each video has received. You can also see which countries your videos are being viewed in, and you can use this data to better target your content to the right audience. The Created Studio is where you can manage the videos on your channel. You can upload new videos, edit existing videos, and delete videos that you no longer want on your channel. You can also manage the settings for each video, such as privacy settings, captions, thumbnail images. Finally, I'll discuss the Live tab. This is where you can manage and track your live streams. You can see how many viewers are watching your stream, how long they have been watching, and other important data. That's it for my overview of the YouTube Studio platform. I hope you found this video helpful, and I would love to hear your feedback in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.